The immune system, the body's defense system, prevents and fights diseases so that human beings can live and work healthily without illness. The immune system can be weakened for many reasons such as stress, unbalanced diet, lack of sleep, unhealthy lifestyle, etc. Low immunity is at the root of many types of diseases because it causes physical weakness, depression, fatigue, loss of appetite, sleep disorders, sensitivity to bacteria, viruses and fungi, frequent illness, slow recovery, and long periods of convalescence. Spirulina helps to reverse these conditions. It's an immune booster ranked among the best in the world. It is made from the algae called Spirulina, the oldest photosynthetic organism that appeared on Earth about 3.5 billion years ago. Spirulina is a super nutritious alkaline food. Indeed, up to 70% of its composition is made up of proteins, exogenous amino acids, numerous polysaccharides, iron, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, zinc, selenium, chromium, copper, vitamins of the group B, C, D, and E, unsaturated fatty acids, and several pigments. No wonder the World Health Organization and the World Food Association of the UN have labeled it as the best source of nutrients for human beings in the 21st century. Spirulina's therapeutic properties have been proven experimentally. Spirulina is a rich source of antioxidants that help the body protect itself from the consequences of oxidative stress. It nourishes the body as a whole and promotes general health and well-being. It boosts immunity by promoting the phagocytosis of immune cells against viruses, and by stimulating the production of immunoglobulins and antibodies. It is therefore very powerful in fighting the effects of HIV and AIDS, because of its high glycolipid and cerebroside sulfate content. The association with TN's cordyceps is particularly interesting in this respect. It helps in case of fatigue and maintains a correct sugar level. Spirulina is useful for the secretion of prostate hormones, and thus prevents prostate hypertrophy. It helps in case of cardiovascular diseases because it regulates blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It regulates blood sugar levels and is very indicated in cases of type 1 or type 2 diabetes. Spirulina restores nutrients balance, regulates the functions of the spleen and stomach, and relieves fatigue. It increases the response speed of nerve cells to make the body more agile. Spirulina is recommended for everyone: children, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. In case of low immunity, for people who work or live in an environment with poor oxygen and those exposed to radiations in a professional environment, such as the radiology department or a nuclear power plant. For athletes, people with weak and fragile constitution, and those who are looking for increased energy in case of a low-calorie diet. Take Spirulina and stay at the top of your immunity.